Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to add text on lock screen in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to home and lock screen and click on lock screen, and here select add text on lock screen. Here you can type any text, your name or your friend name or your child name or your business name or whatever you want. Here I would like to type text Mingy, Mickey, Mingy, Mickey, Pingy, and click on save finally, and go to home screen and put lock in your screen and see here. This is the text that I added, Mingy, Mickey, Pingy. In this way you can easily add text to lock screen in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.